We're here on a roof leak investigation, parapet walls, slates or chimney stacks. Let's find out what's causing this one. This is one of the areas that can cause damp and water leaks into the property below. Loose pointing completely, no pointing there whatsoever, holes through, and the flashing sometimes comes out. So that's a major cause of water ingress. So this is another area of concern on roofs, the parapet wall render. As you can see, big cracks here and it's loose, so water will go into those cracks, filter through. In winter time, that water will turn to ice, water expands, so that will then pull that off. So water will then crawl in behind there and behind the lead flashing. The flashing is very short, we're only 2 inches from the edge. So water coming off the slate by wind will drive that water past that, and water will then seep in behind the gutter and in underneath it and into the ceiling below. That should be coming. Another reason the problem leak is here. The double slate underneath this is actually broken, so water is able to get straight in through here and behind the box gutter, where it probably only just come to about 6 inches, 150 millimeters above that. So that's the cause of our leak downstairs. We've checked the position of the leak downstairs. We've come up the roof and we looked at the position where the water is appearing. Yes, there is a problem there that we've ascertained, but we've also found other problems with the parapet and the chimney breast, and they're all areas of concern. It may be that water's not coming through there now, but if they're not repaired and proactive maintenance taken while we're up here carrying out this repair, this roof will get worse. Another call out, another investigation, so it's best to do it all in one go. If you need your roof looked at and you have leaks, call Optimal. Bye-bye. The life of a surveyor, crawling in and out of small holes.